Hey guys, welcome to my review video. Today I'll be talking about Resurge supplement and my experience with it. So first, what is Resurge? It's an all-natural supplement that aids your body to lose weight in a faster way. Trust me on this one, it's great, it works. I was going through this period of my life. It was really stressful and I was gaining some weight. I was eating all the time and I wanted to lose this weight in a fast way, and I tried some weight losing pills, but they didn't work, and I was discouraged. But one day I stumbled upon Resurge supplement and I checked it out. It had really good reviews and I ordered it. I started taking the pills. How it works is you take 2 pills a day, one before breakfast and one before dinner. And how this supplement works is it works in an all-natural way. It boosts your body's metabolism and it fixes your appetite, it regulates it. It changes how you feel. You start feeling great. At first I was like, is this a placebo effect? And then 1 week in, I weighed myself and bam, 9 pounds down. I was shocked. I was like, I didn't do anything. You just have to take the pills. That's all. Zero effort. And the pounds just go away. It's great. And then the second week, I weighed myself again and 6 more down, which made a total of 15 pounds for 2 weeks by only taking Resurge supplement pills. I just can't explain. I felt better. Like, it even boosts your digestion. Some people have good digestion, some people have a bad one, and Resurge even helps with your digestion. So it's just great. At first I didn't believe, but the end results were shocking. And my friends were like, wow, how did you lose that weight so fast? And I was like, it's a Resurge supplement. If you need to lose weight in a fast way, this is the method. Like, you should try it. Just trust me on this one. It works. It's great. You'll be surprised. And the good thing is, gentlemen, it's not only for women. You can also try this. It's both for men and for women. So what better? If you want to check it out or order it, you should click the link in the description to get your discount today. And don't be afraid to try it. If you're afraid from some side effects, I personally didn't experience any side effects, just made me feel better and like happier in general as well. Also, it doesn't have any side effects reported, so just check the link in the description and get your discount today. And thank you for watching.